Hello friends, welcome back my channel. I hope you are doing great, learning this language great way. Today I am sharing with you should learn this language. Yes, English is so easy. It is not difficult. English is a global language. Yes, you are getting this knowledge in English. Your good communication skill. Yes, your good communication skill, and you are become a fluently speaker. You are become a fluently speaker. You're not facing this problem. Let's start. I have only two tips. You are follow these tips and you can speak to English. Yes, my first tips is you are listen. You are learn this language. You are listen. Listening is the most important. Okay, you are watching this podcast. You are watching this conversation video. Yeah, and your small story you are watching. Yeah, you are daily you can daily hear uh, hear this language. You can talk to English. You can easy this you can easy way. Yeah, but listening is the most important. You're lots of listening. You're lots of listening. First time you're not understand. Yeah, first time you're not understand, but you're slowly you're understanding this language. Yeah, you're lots of suffer. You're lots of suffering. You're getting this knowledge in English, but you're not give up. You're not give up, and your mind is not talk to you. I'm today I'm start my listening practice, but today you are never come your life. Yes, you are listen. Your listening is uh, your listening is a great. You're easy for your talk to English. Yes, and my second thing is speaking. You are listen and you are speak. Whatever you are talk to yourself. You are expose explain your thought. You are expose your uh, multiple thought, but you talk. You speak. Speaking is the most important. You are daily speak now. You remove your fear, remove your hesitation. You are not fumble. Yeah, yes, guys. But you are daily try. Your daily try speak to English. You are go to front of mirror. You talk to yourself. You are lots of mistake. You are making mistake, but don't care. Don't care. Okay, and you start your camera and uh, you start your camera and you talk to yourself. Yeah, and you rectify your mistake. You rectify your mistake, and next day you start your speaking journey. Start your speak. Yes, but you are talk to English. Okay, thank you watching this my video. My video is like and subscribe. You can do and you can speak. Bye bye.